Team RV, smoke on. Oh yeah, this is one of our large formations. I hope you got your cameras going. Team RV, smoke off. Alpha, take the wings. Alright, we're going to give you a B2 formation here in honor of the B2 you're going to see later on today. We're going to make it look just like you're going to see this afternoon, only we're going to do it with Tim Airplanes with the world's largest air show team. We want to thank all those Ocean City folks that have been so kind to us, waving. They've been shaking our hands, spring dinners. Get ready on the cameras. Team RV, smoke on. Once again, this is your 2011 Team RV. We're going to finish off the second half of the show for you. Alpha, drop back. Larry, back to you.
Listening to direct from the cockpit with the leader of the Team RV, and that, of course, is Mike Stewart from Atlanta, Georgia. And you saw that formation of the B-2 Spirit Bomber. You're going to see it live at 1 o'clock this afternoon as the Spirit of Maryland makes its pass here over Ocean City. Watch now as the Bravo and Charlie set up for the Delta formation. Now changing up formation in this tight turn as they set up for the long, easy formation. For those of you who perhaps might be familiar with home builds, the Long Easy, one of the first composite airplanes ever built. And you have the Team RV doing the Long Easy formation. And as they cross show center, look high to your left for the Alpha flight and the left fingertip to diamond barrel roll. Here comes the poke. Just imagine a 55-gallon drum on its side out there, and the Alpha flying around the outside of that barrel. That's why they call it a barrel roll.